is a home redesign application here, and as you can see, for example, this one at the top here will pretty much show you how it works and how it helps you redesign your home. So all I have to do is pretty much take a picture of your home, and you will pretty much get these results based on what you're looking for. And as well, you have different sections as well, as you can see here. Full house exterior remodel, as you can see here, pretty much shows you what it look like if you pretty much take a picture of it and use AI. So if you do tap on this option here, it will ask you to upload a picture. I do recommend to upload a similar image as you see here, and you pretty much will get these results. So I don't recommend you uploading anything else than this similar image here. And as well, you have different options as well. You have the virtual staging option, as you can see here. I do recommend you uploading the same setup, guys, the same setup. As well, you have the other options here as well. You have the painting option, as you can see here. Pretty much get these results. So very easy application to use. And if you go in the project section, this is pretty much where you see all your process. As well, if you do tap on the get started option, we'll just allow you to upload your photo. So in the comment section here, you see a lot of other designs that other people on the application have done. As you can see, you can scroll and look at what other people have done using this tool here. It's a very powerful tool, but I don't think this one is very popular. Look at this. This is crazy. I don't think this is possible because these are like some chairs, and I'm not sure what this is here. But anyways, as you can see here for that. So that's really pretty much it for this application. Very good application, and they do have tutorials as it relates to you setting up these, but it's very simple. I do recommend taking photos very similar to what they're showing you for you to get the best results. So that's pretty much it. With all that said, guys, see you in the next tutorial.